Hi everyone. Welcome back to the CoWrit Tech Channel. If you've ever wondered what exactly CoWrit Technologies does and how our services help businesses grow faster with AI, content, and digital marketing, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down all the services offered by CoWrit Technologies, from content writing and website development to AI solutions, automation, and full digital marketing support. Let's get started. 1. Professional content writing and content creation. CoWrit Technologies specializes in creating simple, clear, and SEO-friendly content. We write website content, blogs and AMP, articles, product descriptions, ebooks, social media content, sales copies. All content is written in a natural human tone, perfect for SEO, branding, and conversions. 2. AI-powered content solutions. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, and SurferSEO, we help businesses create content faster and smarter. AI helps with idea creation, keyword planning, SEO optimization, improving writing quality, reducing production time, but the final touch is always edited manually to keep it natural and human-like. 3. Website design and AMP development. CoWrit builds clean, fast, and professional websites, business websites, blogging sites, affiliate sites, e-commerce stores, portfolio sites. We use WordPress, Elementor, Astra, and marketing automation tools to ensure your site ranks well and loads fast. 4. AI automation for smart business growth. We set up automation tools that save time and improve workflow, email marketing automation, social media scheduling, CRM automations, lead capture workflows, chatbot setup tools used Zapier, Notion AI, Meta Business Suite, Google AI Studio, etc. 5. Social media management and AMP advertising. We create and manage complete social media strategies, daily posts, reels and AMP shorts, social media ads, branding designs, content calendars. We also use Canva and AI editors to make visuals attractive. 6. Full digital marketing services. CoWrit helps you grow online through SEO, on-page plus off-page, keyword research, performance tracking, marketing funnels, paid ad strategy. Our goal is simple: help your business grow faster with smart, budget-friendly solutions. And that's a complete breakdown of CoWrit Technologies services. Whether you need content, a website, AI support, or a full digital marketing plan, we're here to help. If you want more videos on AI tools, content writing, and business growth strategies, make sure you like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.